Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Kublai Yupi Baro, Ulat Kajala, Satyapal Malik, Urbi Nakanong Ba Shillong, Haksi Satjan, Banlej, Shanong Ba New Delhi, Nagbanta Bani Kendo, Bau Menteri Katanat Korbari, U Amit Shah. Hakabay day bakali kajingle jung u sa Delhi. Ulat hakaje kendo ban unang sa hima. Ulay ito baudan kajing tmu bani kendo yaw Amit Shah hakaba ulra yashibun tali gimat kijura kibay day bat kajala. Bat kaway na kita gimat Bakongsan Kalong Ahlor ke Meghalaya Residents Safety and Security Amendment Act Kabahaduk Menta Kampat Yo Ya Kajing Benjur. Gila ben pen kenma baulat ubarem utata kata roy umshim lasoy lani benjur ya ka Meghalaya Residents Safety and Security Amendment Act kabalawan ra dak sarkar jo kondot ke sangma. Henrei na kalia ulat ubamenta ulaong bakamat kabakongsan bu nyekren bu Amit Shah Kolong, halor kan ke MRSSA ke badang sa teng. Halor jong ke MRSSA ulat keren ru halor. Kamat ke bakongsan bah bat kata ke inner line permit. Kat kum ke je thu jong ulat, ke je kendo bol unau sai hima. Uloong baka ILP ke kamat ke bahap bania keren mar kamat hapedeng ke sarkar pedeng bat ke sarkar jela. Boleh pi baro matasi Yuara Shafi Hiji Kren, Preng Ulau Sai Hima, Bat Ulat, Barang Ujang Kejala. Dan Cibun Kibat, Kijura Kiba, Lihap Banyak Kren, Kamtam Agari Kapor, Bagadan Gini Jingawa, Penterekam, the line permit, but the MRSSA. Sir, we welcome you to this program and we also send you congratulations because today you complete 4 months in office as Governor of Meghalaya. Sir, as you are aware, during the last few days and weeks, the focus has been on the Raj Bhavan. Various political leaders, civil society groups have met you regarding the demand for implementation of the ILP and the Meghalaya Residents Safety and Security Act. So, regarding these two issues, what are your thoughts?
Actually, I have no fixed opinion about ILP because it does not, it is not concern me. It is between central government and the state government. As far as MRSSA Act is concerned, about that, my opinion, it's not the question of personal opinion, but I think that if it is implementable, if it is implemented, then you don't require ILP. It will cover most of the things which you desire, and your this new app of Ministry of Tourism, that also helps. So there should be no worry in the mind of local people after implementation of this. So on that, I have got a positive opinion, and wherever I'll talk. I'm on the same page where your chief minister is. But ILP is not my subject.
So, sir, what you are saying is, as per your opinion, if we have the MRSSA, ILP is not needed.
Whatever I have studied, and not only me, most of the leaders here, they also think this is sufficient. ILP mein, there are some objections from so many quarters, even Government of India, because you are a transit state, you have got 6 schedule, then you will have this MRSSA, then ILP is not required. This is their opinion, not mine.
But has the Government of India communicated to you on this?
No, I have not yet discussed with the Government of India anything. Even MRSSA, I did not discuss. ILP, so the question doesn't arise. I will not discuss this. This should be discussed by your Chief Minister.
Sir, so the last time that the Chief Minister met you, he informed the press that you would be going to Delhi to speak to the central leadership on these two issues. Is it true, sir?
No, I never said that I'll speak about these two issues. I told him that I'll speak to the central government about MRSSA. ILP, if it comes in discussion, then yes, I will discuss, but I don't have any firm opinion about it.
So what is your opinion on the current movement's demand for ILP?
No, till now they have not done anything wrong, barring burning the effigy of Prime Minister and Home Minister. I have conveyed to them, don't do this. Then you make other people bias against you. Because burning of their effigy will not give you any leverage. And that has gone through in their mind. Now they are burning the effigy of NDA government or not PM or HM.
So coming back to this Article 370, what we are seeing now, this movement we talked about, this movement against the Citizenship Amendment Act, then the demand for ILP, all these have
It's altogether different. Don't join them. 370 was a different thing. ILP is a different thing. ILP is to protect your indigenous people. If you have got ways and means to protect them, so not necessarily it should be ILP, it should be something else. 370 that was also inserted by later stage, not when Kashmir was being the Raja of Kashmir signed the agreement. It was not there. Much later it came, and it was made clear that it is temporary.
So let me come to the ILP again. So tomorrow it will be the first anniversary ever since the Meghalaya Assembly had passed a resolution saying that the centre should introduce ILP in Meghalaya. But even after 1 year, sir, we have not heard anything. I mean, the centre is not saying yes or no. It does not.
I'm not coming to this controversy. For me, this issue is not on my table. This is between the state government and the centre. They should go there and talk, and they will tell them their opinion. There is something. There are some other arguments.
So there's also this talk that we'll be going to Delhi soon.
Yeah.
So any dates that have been fixed with the Home Minister?
When I was last in Delhi, I met Honorable Prime Minister on 11th. With him I did not discuss anything, because if I would have discussed all this, so he should have said to talk to Amit Shah. So I talked to Amit Shah Sahab, and I told him that these issues are cropping up. I want to talk to you about this. So he said, okay, whenever you come next, I'll meet you. So now I am going, and I'll be there for 5-6 days, and I'm sure I'll meet him. So in that I'll raise all these issues. But my agenda is not ILP. Make it clear. Don't give this headline that governor is going to talk about ILP. I'm going there to talk about the development of the state, law and order situation, and whatever review we have done in last 1 week, that report we will give, and I'll talk about this pending act.
DMRSS.
Yeah.
Which your predecessor had referred to the...
That is lying with your Chief Minister only. That reference goes through the Chief Minister to the President of India. It is still lying with the Chief Minister.
But you talk about MRSS.
Certainly.
But not ILP.
Not ILP. This act is it's doable.
MRSS.
Yeah.
Including the amendment?
For amendment, what it was, you can't bring back. So now the act is whatever has been passed lately.
So these, we have seen that many people have met you, have given their different opinion, their views on many issues. Even BJP is supporting the ILP for that matter. although there are some quarters which are opposing this idea. So, sir, given the situation and the opinions that we have received from different quarters, what do you tell them, sir? I mean, when you
I just listen to them, that's all. I don't give them any opinion. I'm very sorry to say that in last 4 months, people did not come with the idea that, look, Meghalaya can do this in the field of development. This industry can come. Tourism can be enhanced like this. There is no quality tourism. Indian people who get those LTC people come and visit. That gives no money to your state. You don't have even a 5-star hotel in your capital. It could have been developed into such a beautiful tourist spot that people, thousands of people, because this tourism gives most of the tourism gives maximum employment. So nobody talks about that. Nobody talks about infrastructure. Nobody talks about the roads. Nobody talks about the bridges. Nobody talks about the water is in abundance here. No development. About development, nobody has come to me. Basically, this act, MRSSA, should be passed. This is my opinion, but I have to take opinion from the Home Ministry also, because it was in controversy between governor and the state government. Then the Home Ministry also had some point of view. So I'll talk to them and I'll try to convince them that this is doable, you do it. After that, lot of problems will be solved. I have studied this MRSSA, and I'm sure after this and after this app of tourism ministry, you don't need ILP. But let me tell you one thing more. Don't even say that I'm opposed to ILP. I'm not opposed to ILP. There are arguments against ILP that you are a transit state, this, that. I'm not going into that. But I'm saying कि आपका काम चल सकता है if this act is passed. Then divert your attention towards other things.